Welcome to the step-by-step guide to renew CFA Institute and CFA Society India's membership. Let's get started. Log in to the CFA Institute account and navigate through your membership page to complete your CFA Institute membership renewal. As part of the process, please verify your personal and/or professional information and complete your professional learning attestation. Next, complete your professional conduct statement and membership agreement attestation. Finally, select the membership you would like to renew and make the payment of membership due at checkout. Congratulations! Your CFA Institute membership has been successfully renewed. Feel free to print the invoice if needed. Next, to renew your CFA Society India's membership, click on Pay India Society Dues. This will redirect you to the CFA Society India's membership renewal page, where you will find details regarding society fees. Click on Register and choose your appropriate registration type from the options provided. Enter the buyer details in the next screen, then click Proceed. Enter your CFA Institute ID and complete the required attestation to proceed to the payment page. Congratulations once again. Your CFA Institute and CFA Society India's memberships have been successfully renewed. You can print the invoice for your records.